Hey, hope you guys are doing well. Edgar's from Solo Marketer here, and in this video I want to quickly show you how to create a lead generation funnel, which essentially is just 2 pages. It will be the landing page where you collect the leads, their email address and first name, and the second one will just be a basic thank you page, right? And that's pretty much it. And also we'll be sending a welcome email where we deliver the lead magnet, we kind of introduce to ourselves, right? Maybe there's like a one-time offer we can include in there. And all that, as you can see here, you can go claim a template. We're actually going to be working off one of my templates. This was one of my first ones they ever created on System.io. And you can just, below the video, either now, you can go claim it now, and I'll send it to you via email, or after the video. You can just, watch the video and then you can claim it and do all the same things that I did. But go claim it. It's just a ready template. You can just adjust it to your needs. And yeah, it will include the funnel itself, the welcome email, and the explainer video, which is this video, right? We're going to walk you step by step, walk you through. So yeah, once you claim it, you get an instant email, or maybe like within a minute or so, you get an email, and over here you can see the download links. So let's click on the first one. All you need to do is just click it, and it gets added to your account, right? This is a free account, just to show you that this can be created on a free account as well. And this will be the funnel template, and the other one will be the welcome email template. Right, so those are both here. We'll connect them, we'll edit them, we'll do all that stuff. And yeah, one last note before we proceed, make sure that you haven't reached your funnel limit and your campaign limit in your account, especially if you're using a free account. It's really common. I think the limit for funnels was 3 and for emails was 1 for email campaigns. So make sure you haven't reached the limit. Otherwise, if you click on this, it will just take you to like just a page, but it will say at the top that you've reached the limit. So yeah, keep that in mind. So now we have the funnel, right? Let's just go take a quick look. This is the landing page, right? This is the default one. It's a fictional lead magnet, and this will be the thank you page, right? Simple as that, but everything we'll be able to edit. And also there will be a welcome email where we edit our own information in, and then we can put our link in to the lead magnet, right? So all pretty simple. We'll connect it all together, and that shouldn't take us more than maybe 10 minutes, probably less. So the first thing we want to do is we actually want to go to the campaign. And in this case, it's called a campaign, but it's actually just one email, right? But you can technically, even on a free account, I think you can do an unlimited amount of emails that just go out like an email chain. But in this case, it's just one email, which is the welcome/confirmation email. So once we click on select it, see, it only has one email in there, so we can click on it. We can edit the subject line. Welcome to, I don't know, your company, right? Your company name. Save it. It just says this because of the, because you can't use Gmail. This is like a dummy account that I'm using. You need a business email, so always keep that in mind. And also, yeah, if you want to edit the email itself, just click on it. There's all the copy, right? This one, keep it as is because we're going to be asking for the first name, and this will autofill. Also, I would like to personally welcome you to company name, right? I am the founder of this company. I'm the CEO. I'm the whatever, right? You put that here. All the square brackets, just put in your stuff in there. It's pretty simple. Signing up for your free book. I'm assuming it's a free book. It could be a free video, checklist, cheat sheet, template, just whatever, right? So just put it in here. Let's really believe that you put in the work. So just, yeah, desired outcome. It will be helping you to, in this case, how to make your first $1,000 online in the first 30 days, right? Or less. So that's kind of like a desired outcome. And by teaching you how to, I don't know, do affiliate marketing as an example. This is a fictional lead magnet. Yeah. And you just kind of basically just, yeah, you can type it in here. How to make your first dollar online, right? By teaching you how to do affiliate marketing, something like that, right? You just replace main feature, desired outcome. Again, replace all this copy over here. And step 1, you can see here, this one is kind of optional, but here it says join our community, right? So here you kind of give them steps what to do. Before you give them the lead magnet, you can give them like squeeze in more things. It's like follow me on Instagram, join our free Facebook group, stuff like that. And then just to kind of grow your community there as well, or your following or whatever it is. And then the second step, again, first step, you can delete it. If you have nothing, you can just delete it, and this will be your first step. And yeah, but in this case, step 2, obviously that's the lead magnet name. This image, you can do it in Canva. I did it in Canva. Just it's called Mockups. It's on the left side, the apps, and then Mockups. You can just do it there, or you can do you can search for. I did for like a 3D book version. I think it was this one. I think you can do it in Canva too, but this one I built. I just Googled free 3D book mockups, something like that. And this was created on a free tool. This I didn't even do it in Canva. I don't think Canva had that mockup when I did this, so I needed to go look for like a book one. But again, either Canva or just look it up online. Free book mockup. Going back, click on the button. Obviously, you can change the color, font size over here, all this stuff. You can change the button text. Get the freebie, right? Do that. Put in the URL. So the URL, the simplest way is to just upload it on Google Drive. If it's just on your computer, you don't have it in anywhere online, on the cloud, whatever, upload it on Google Drive, but then right click it and select the share option and make sure that it is being shared. Anyone with the link can open it, but they can only view it. They can't edit it, comment, anything, right? They can only view. So that you'll see those two options are really simple. So make sure that's like the simplest way to do it, just on your Google Drive. Pretty much everyone has it and it's free, right? So you can just do that. In this over here, you kind of prep them for if you have like a welcome sequence and indoctrination series, right? Like a 5 email sequence or 10 or whatever. You can just kind of tell them, yeah, expect more emails from me in the near future. So yeah, and obviously sign your name. Save changes. But yeah, if it's saved, everything was good. Save and test. Just click on here. Send yourself a test email first. That's always the thing, even if you've been doing this for 10 years, always send yourself a test email. Check the links, check the grammar. But yeah, once it's all done, save and publish. This one you leave empty, 0 days. You can also do technically, I would just do 0 days, 0 hours, minutes, whatever. You can technically do 5 minutes, right? They sign up and you send it in 5 minutes. And then within that time, you offer them some paid product, right? But that's a little bit more advanced. If you're really new to this, I would just do 0 minutes, 0 days, whatever, and activate it. But make sure to activate it, right? Make sure to publish. All right, so we have the email, right? It says status. It's like a green check mark. So that's all good. We can now connect it to the funnel. So let's go to the funnel. Basically, just click on here, funnels, and find your funnel that you uploaded. And here you can see, let's go edit the funnel first. Let's go edit the first page, the landing page. And essentially what you do is you just edit the text. It's just whatever your lead magnet is, and replace the image, right? If you click on the image over here, click on the cloud, select a file, or maybe under your images, you already have a file. So that's the mockup I talked about. This is just like one of the versions. The one in the email was like a tablet and a phone. So there's different ways, but to kind of make it tangible, I would spend the extra, maybe 10 minutes, maybe an hour to create one of these things. It's a simple, in Canva, it's really simple to create on a free account, a simple way. It's simple to create one of these things. But yeah, over here, instead of just saying download my guide, right? It's kind of bland and it doesn't reassure what they're actually getting and what's happening. It's just, you basically need to kind of state the benefit again, right? Or in the name of it, and just kind of, you need to entice people to get it. If it's just going to be like download or give me your email, right? It kind of makes sense, but it's not, it's too just indirect and bland. Start your indoor garden within the next 7 days by using the 3-step process in my ebook. Something like that, right? If it's like let's say a gardening niche, right? So this is like another example. Obviously, name and email, these are already, I guess instead of full name, it's first name. So let's do that. It's a first name field, but you can click on it. You can double check, right? You can pick first name. You can ask for full name. You can ask for more information, but the more information you ask for, the less people will fill it out. It's just more hurdles to jump over. Email, always needed. This one, keep it. They have to kind of opt in that they want to receive emails from you. They want to be added to the mailing list. And this one, the button, it needs to say submit form. That's the correct way. that just means this is a form, right? And also take them to the next step, which just means take them to the thank you page, which is the second page in the funnel that we'll see in a second. And also, yeah, the other stuff, oh, I guess, yeah, add automation rule. This one is important. Add action. And here we connect it to the campaign, to the email we edited just now. Remember, subscribe to campaign. This will be the only one. So we just select this one, save rule. And here you can see you can edit stuff, and it's just like the spacing, sizing, font size, all that stuff, right? The button color, you can change it to, I don't know, to green if you want, right? Just change it to whatever. And as for the backgrounds themselves, if you click on this, the section itself, you can pick a color, a background color if you want, or you can select an image, right? You can go in, select you can just search online for, I don't know, royalty-free background images or whatever. You can search through. I think this is somewhat like something what I did for this, or you can just do a background color, right? Over here, by getting this free ebook, you list the benefits. These ones, again, simple Canva images. And here, yeah, try to be as specific as possible, but don't give out the whole book content. Otherwise, they will not download it. Over here, testimonials, if you have them. For a lead magnet, not as vital. So you can just easily delete this section as well over here, trash icon. We can do that now. Click it. Okay. Let's say we don't have any testimonials. Here, introduce to yourself. Click on the image. Add the image of yourself, right? Here, you can edit the text, right? Put in your name here and whatever else, and change the name of the lead magnet. And here, this is a pop-up, I think. Yeah, this is an optional thing, but just so you know, there's another way you can do forms. You can go to pop-ups, right? Add a pop-up. We already created one. Here's the eye icon. And here you can do the same thing. Remember that we did up top? Here you can do the same thing. We can edit everything, and then the button itself, if we click on it, it says show pop-up. As opposed to submit form, it says show pop-up, and it will link to this pop-up that we just opened, right? If you have several, you can pick which one. And yeah, let's just save changes and preview quickly. Yeah, there's two ways. This is the form, but this is a pop-up, a button that leads to a pop-up, and this is a form. So two ways of doing this. You don't need to do it that way. I just did it so I can kind of show you that there's two ways. Also, the pop-up, just so you know, not to piss people off, let's just click on it and edit pop-up settings. Also, what you want to do is show close button. You want to have it on, just so there's like an X in case people accidentally click it, but they actually want to read what's more on the page, but they can't close this. So I would have this on. That would be kind of a better way to do it. Otherwise, they will just leave the page. And also open on exit intent. We have this on. Then once they on desktop, once they go over to close the tab, it will pop up again one more time. Let's see if it actually shows up in the preview. Let's try it. And let's try to go. See, as soon as I went over the tab, it just immediately popped up. That's an exit pop-up. That's what they call it. And yeah, just go check it out. There's all the rest of the stuff is just basic. Like you can edit the colors, backgrounds, all that stuff. Here you can put in your logo if you want, or you can take it out if you don't have a logo. You can have your terms and conditions, privacy policy, all that stuff. You can link to it here as well. And company name, year, 2024. So edit all that stuff. So this, yeah, we want to save it. We're going to go back. Second last step, I think. Let's click on the thank you page, edit page. Well, I guess we have a couple more steps. Again, your free ebook is on its way to your inbox, should be there within the next 5 minutes. Also, yeah, at the bottom it says check your spam folder. In case you have like a new account, new email address, whatever, they might be going to spam more often. So warn people to go to spam /junk/ promotions, whatever else they call it, right? That's just to kind of prepare people that people still tend to forget that it's sometimes things land in spam. There's going to be people emailing you. It's like, I didn't get the email. Did you check spam? Oh no, I didn't. Turns out that it's in there. So that's a common thing. Just warn them in advance. And again, image, click on it, replace it here on the left side. Same as before. Same with the footer. Actually, you can make it a global element, but that's a whole different story. But yeah, you can just click on it here. You can save it, and you can make it a master block, which means that wherever you put it, you put it on 50 pages, and then if you edit it on one page, it reflects on the 49 other pages as well. But that's a whole different video in itself. You can find it on my channel. Yeah, once you edit everything, save changes, that's all good. So once they sign up, they will land on this page. One more thing, two more things we need to do is edit this, the domain itself as well. You want to go to funnel settings, pick your domain. If you have custom domains, highly advised. It's a few bucks a month. Some social media sites don't like these default ones that the system gives you, or whatever funnel building platform, they don't like them. So connect your own, select it, and yeah, and just kind of save it. It will reflect here. And then the slug or the path, just do, I don't know, lead or book or whatever. Do something simpler. Don't do this. This is not a good look. This is the default one it gives you. Do something like this. Something simple. And same here, right? It looks kind of ugly. Book, thank you. Make sure to not use caps. It will say no. See, don't use caps. Oh, come on. And also don't use just space. Don't use space. It will say no. Use the hyphen. And yeah, the last thing you want to do is you want to go to squeeze page. We have the 2 pages done. Well, kind of done. I just showed you the functionality. We have the email that has the link, right? The deliverable that's connected to this funnel. Remember, to the page, to the actual form. And the last thing you want to do is you want to click on this link icon, open the page that we just created. That popped up pretty quickly because I hovered over here. And you want to fill it out, get instant access, and then you want to actually see the email come to your inbox or spam folder or wherever it lands. And make sure that it works, and only then put this page out there in the real world. But yeah, that's the short version. Make sure download below this funnel template. You know, you'll save yourself hours basically, because you don't need to reinvent the wheel. You just take something that's already worked. It has a good track record of when it comes to conversion. Use this, use the email template. It's all really baseline. Just adjust it to yours. And yeah, if you have any questions or you get stuck at anything, just comment below in the YouTube video. I'll make sure to respond as quickly as I can. I love getting comments from you guys. So click on down below, get the template. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.